Welcome to Support Genius. We offer free tech support to our subscribers. Please subscribe and tell us about your problem in the comments under this video. We will help you for free. Let's go. Hi, I'm Andy Gorman from the Support Genius team. Today, we are going to talk about a problem that has been present in Windows for a long time. You are probably familiar with this issue, where the taskbar reduces your view in games, obscures part of a document, interferes with watching a stream on Twitch, or ruins the design of the animated wallpaper. Now I will show you how to solve this problem in Windows 11. The same works for Windows 10. So let's get started. Hover the mouse pointer over the taskbar at the bottom of the screen where there are no icons. Do a right-click. Click on Taskbar Settings. The Taskbar Settings menu appears. Go to Taskbar Behaviors. Check the Automatically Hide the Taskbar option. Most of you will see the taskbar disappear. Now it will only appear when you hover your mouse pointer over the very bottom of the screen. Like this. For those who don't have the taskbar hidden, you need to do the following. Put the mouse pointer on the Start button and right-click. Go to Task Manager. In the Processes tab, look for Windows Explorer. Right-click on it. Select Restart. Wait about 10 seconds for the service to restart, and the taskbar should disappear. To get the fixed taskbar back again, right-click on it, Taskbar Settings, Taskbar Behaviors, and uncheck the Automatically Hide the Taskbar. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. We offer free technical support for our subscribers. So please subscribe and ask your question in the comments below this video. We'll try to respond immediately if the problem is straightforward or create a video solution. We'll be happy to assist you. See you.